Prague's parks offer visitors the chance to relax within the city center, but those seeking some true peace and quiet don't have to travel very far to find it. The Divoká Šárka Nature Reserve offers travelers the chance to do some hiking through tree-lined trails, which lead to expansive views, elevated rock formations, and natural springs. Take a dip in Džbán Lake, near one of Prague's best camping areas, or splash around at the Divoká Šárka swimming pool, a popular place where locals to cool off. Getting there, visitors can easily take tram 26 from the center of Prague, which stops just outside of Džbán Lake, in less than an hour. It's also possible to take Metro Line A to Nádraží Veleslavín, walk a short distance through the neighborhood of Vokovice, until the nature reserve is found. Travel tip: travelers can refresh themselves at the Divoká Šárka pub, which offers a lovely beer garden in the warmer months.